Welcome to the CryptoNest. Alright, so we do have a special request from other piggy bank. Alright, so he was asking me if I can check out this chart here, West Red Lake Gold Mines. Yeah, mines, right? Gold miner. Alright, so, the first thing I want to do is check, is this stock, first of all, is it new or is it old? Wow, I mean, 2001, wow, it's 24 years old. And look at this chart, it's a mess, honestly. Okay, so you can see I pull out the WRLG.V. You can see that most of the volume happened, when price was between 74 cents and what's that? 59 cents, something like that. Let me click on it. Yeah, so between 75 and 57 cents. Now I just wanna make disappear that. Okay, so yeah, I mean, beside that, you can see that yeah, this block here is really acting as, sometimes as a support, and when it fails, then it flip resistance for a while, and then now we are in the block zone. Now I'm going to exclude this week here because it doesn't make sense. Maybe it's a glitch, maybe it's not. I have no idea. What day is that? April 2014. No idea what happened there, but let me recall in history. 2014, what happened in April 12? I don't know. Anyway, so maybe it's a glitch. I don't know. Okay, so if I zoom out, I'm on the monthly. You can see that I'm able to draw an uptrend line here, and excluding this crazy wick, I'm going to do the same here. So you can see that yeah, we're having some converging lines here. Now let me bring out the RSIs. You see RSIs also, it's like almost flat dead. Even the RSI on the monthly. Oh, okay, let's be fair now. Let's go on the daily. So even here, nothing much to say. I honestly, I mean, if you wanna bet something, I guess, we are into the zone, right? Is it going to go and touch the top band? Yeah, well, how many years is going to take if it does that, right? And what's the price gold has to be to reach that? Or unless they, they hit like, I don't know, you, for gold miners, you really need to do fundamentals, because if they acquire the many land and they didn't explore them yet, and then when they do the testings, well, if they find something like a very important amount of gold, then yeah, the stock can skyrocket. But this is kind of a flip of a coin. So you really need to go and do the fundamental deep dive. It's not all stocks that you can just um do the TA on the chart, because some things are going to exponentially distort, or act as a distortion on the chart. And so, or perhaps, this is what happened here. Maybe something happened. They did find that they had something, and then at the end they didn't, and then the price, it just dropped like crazy, and after that they, maybe they found out something else. I don't know, this could be related to the news. But when you zoom out, you don't want to have a stock that's almost flat dead for the past 24 years. If I stay within this block, and now I'm going to cheat, I'm going to say, we bought it when it was getting out from the box. I mean, 256%, but how this happens once, okay? And if I'm fair, most of the time, I'm doing an average now, 32%. Yeah, okay, so you could have done that one time here, two time here, three time, four time. Now, if you do buy lower, you can make more. But can we agree that on 25 years you want to have something like that. Now I know maybe I'm not being fair. Well, here is not going to be fair as well. Let me find. Okay, gold. Let's see here. I mean, even this one, it's gold mining, right? But at least it is attempting to do something, and it's on an uptrend. And I can also, let me check here. I am on the log. Let me readjust a little bit. Actually, gold, yeah, this one, gold mining. It's a long time I didn't do the chart. And I did used to have some, but now I don't have any gold anymore. I have digital gold now. I believe in digital now. Okay, so between this one and this one, I would rather go with the other one. Okay, now to be fair, we are at the lowest and near this lower uptrend, but as you can see, I still put it in red because I don't find it's that great. You could try to push your luck maybe, and if you can get to $1, very good. But then I would suggest you put a sell stop limit or a taking profit limits in case it's going to go and reverse. Because if it reverse, we're going to have more likely another major drop. Wouldn't be surprised to go 31 cents. After that, if we lose that, it's going to be 17.5, and then yeah, like 10 cents, right? So but unless they give dividends, I honestly don't know. Dividends do not pay dividends. They don't even pay dividends. So I honestly wouldn't go with this one, even though this is not financial advice. But you want something, I don't know, so something that in several years is going higher. Actually, yeah, Enphase Energy. Let's talk about it. Possibly this was, I know, maybe it was an ABC, but we don't know, right? It just happened like this. Now we have a strong impulsive movement to the upside. It's kind of crazy. I could say this is a 1-2. Could I say this is a 3, doing the 4 and then doing another 5? I mean, there are so many ways that I can count. I can just say that this is just a 1 and it's doing the 2. Okay, so anyway, now I'm getting out of the subject, but you wanna go for stocks that maybe over the years they are uptrend. I think, let me check here. Ray, you must be in Canada because you asked me for a venture one. So you know, let's see this chart. Okay, so first of all, it looks a little bit similar, but at least this is uptrend, and I agree. Let me pop out the WRLG.V. Okay, so you can see that. Let me take out this one. So you can see that I could draw a big block here. Something like that. And this is where all the trades are made. I'm going to put it, let's say, so you can see it more. Let me disappear that. Okay, so this is all the major action here. But if I recall well, this one do give some dividends. Where are you? Where are you? Yeah, I can see them. Dividends. 6%. If I remember well, this is investing in real estate. Yeah, real estate investment. Okay, so at least the stock is going on the side, but at least it's giving you about 6%. And then after that, there are some people who try to play this up and down movement from the bottom to the box to the top. That's give you 21, 22%. I mean, you were people that try to do that, they didn't do, they didn't have the chance to do it often. They let me see here. Okay, so they did it once here. They could have done it another time here, but they would have suffered here on, yeah, that was the flu season, let's call it that. And this was the third time, and possibly now this is the fourth time. So this is how I would see it. Now, it goes also on the other way. So when you're on the top, I don't know if I should say side, but like you could expect more likely, price to go down once. This was 2 times, this is 3 times, and this is more likely is it going to work for a fourth time. Anyway, so just ideas that I'm trying to give you, but this is not financial advice. But I would try to emphasize on stocks that if they are on the side, they must give you a dividend. Otherwise, you're just losing money and putting your capital at risk, honestly. All right, hopefully it helped. This is my personal opinion, so I might, can be wrong, right? We all have our opinions. This is mine. Like it or don't like it. Okay, so hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And thank you for your support. Have a good day. Bye.